Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description. Good morning. Can everybody hear me? Because I just got this new mic and the new webcam, and I don't know if you can hear me. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I would assume you can hear me. Anyway, let's get started. You can hear me? Okay, cool. 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 All right. Yeah, it's definitely going to be, I was already going to be short today. I was already going to be looking for sales today. I honestly feel like we're going to break, honestly, we're either going to stay in this range or we're going to break past here and come all the way down. All the way down. That's what I'm really looking at. I'm trying to it's a little different now that I got this new. Anyway, sorry guys, give me like a quick second. Let me just log into my account really quickly. All right. Here is my trade of 8. I passed another combine. I passed another one. I have 4 PAs right now. I have 4 PAs that I'm trading with. Well, I'm trading with 3. I didn't activate the 4th one just yet. I was trying to see if I can just get a payout first, and then I'll activate the 4th one. But yeah, so let me do this really quickly, just because, yeah. So I can show you guys my trading view. But I don't take a trade until around like 9:15, 9:30, because that's when New York Stock Exchange open is at 9:30. So that's where most of the volume comes in. I have found that if I trade before then, sometimes I'll get stopped out and then it'll just go in my favor. So lately I've just been waiting for that 9:30 mark, like maybe like 9:20, really 9:30. Sometimes I'll take a trade at 9:15, but 9:30 is really my sweet spot. That's my sweet spot. Okay, that's my sweet spot, guys. Hope it's not leaving the station. What do you mean? Oh. You're talking about NQ. It's okay, bro. I mean, if it goes down, we can still catch a lot. We can still catch a nice move. Oh, whoops. I don't even know why I have this open like that. But yeah, I'm going to stay bearish all day today. I might take longs. if we reject going lower. But if we continue down, I am definitely looking to hold all the way until this area. Okay. All right, guys. So yeah, again, not really trading until around like 9:30. Okay. I got this new webcam and the new mic because I know it wasn't working that well prior. My laptop also died on me, so I'm using desktop, which is better. um Sorry guys, just bear with me for a second, okay? Just bear with me. I am just trying to find my damn goddamn trading view. Like it's not showing me my damn profile, so I know which email I used. God damn. Oops. Oh, well, here's my username. Nanedo. Nah, it's not going anywhere until like 9:15. So we see the direction it's trying to head, right? Shorts, right? Sells. So we're definitely going to be following the trend today. I don't think I'm going to do any type of reversals today. It doesn't look like it wants to. All right. I'm just gonna have to do it over here today. I'll figure out trading view another day. Anyway. Let's go ahead and mark up the chart. I have to mark it up on trading view. All right, I gotta mark up the chart on trading view. All right. So I have it on my phone here. I'm just gonna mark it up on my phone first. And then I'll transfer it over. All right, so we have a New York low sitting here. Right here. Okay, so we have a New York low. I think this is yesterday's New York low. This is Friday's London and New York low. I really want to bring it back right here. Okay, so if we pass here, we have nothing stopping us. Nothing stopping us until right here. Let's say about right here. Oh, right here. Oh, we still have a little bit of this gap left. I'm going to mark this up. Okay, here's another low that we can target. Okay, so here's our lows. And here is our New York Open is literally right here. New York Open is sitting right in here, okay? So we're already passing through New York Open. So I don't think TradingView has, or whatever, whatchamacallit. So we already, this was a London low right here. So we're already breaking past it. We're already going lower. Okay. I want to see it come here. So one or two things that could happen. Come here, retest this London low, and then we come all the way down. Or I could see a retest of New York Open and then come down. Okay, so that is what I'm waiting for. And I'll be targeting these lows first, especially here. I'll probably target here as well. All right. So we have 17 minutes until New York Open. So just waiting for that. And while we wait for that, I'm going to go use the fucking bathroom. Okay. Okay. Let me also see something here. Let me see if there's any 30-minute FVG or anything. Maybe 5-minute FVG. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, there's a nice 15-minute FVG here. Very nice FVG right here. See how this 15-minute FVG is pretty much right here below New York Open. So we also get a nice, so we could get a retest of New York Open, or we can just tap into this FVG and see what we do here. All right, so when I take a trade, I'm not going to be looking at the screen. So if anybody is commenting, sorry, you're going to have to wait. Okay. So I'm waiting for this, either this FVG to get filled and retraced into, or New York Open. So here's New York Open. Here's 15-minute FVG. I'm looking for a retracement, and then I'll be looking for shorts. Have to wait till open though. I have to. That's just part of my rules. Me staying disciplined and following my rules has gotten me four PA accounts. So I gotta stick to my rules. I want you guys to see the equity. So this is my PA. Well, one of them, at least. What's up, Jay? How you doing, brother? All right, so if I take a trade, my stops are gonna go above here. Okay, this is a current New York high. I don't want it to break above this New York high. If we do, we have a very strong chance of coming up higher. But if we don't, I'm definitely looking for my shorts. Okay, so I have how many accounts in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to be doing 4 cons. So I have 7 accounts, 4 cons, 28. We're getting to the bag today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put 7 here and 7 here. Oh wait, here and here. Yeah, I'm copy trading. I got 7 accounts copy trading right now. How many? I have 3 PAs for Apex, but I'm only trading with 2 right now, and then I have 1 PA for Top Step. I'm close to getting my second PA for Top Step. I'm pretty much halfway there. What's this 30-minute doing? Okay. I was trading live before, but now back to XFA with Top Step. Yeah, what do you like better? You like trading with combines more, right? Trading with live accounts is just like, I don't know, it's different. Oh, look at this. So we're also creating FEG right here, guys. So it's like, I got to see which FEG we're going to play off of, either this one or this one. We could very well just be playing off of this one because we already broke past London low and we closed past it. But sometimes I see a retest of New York open, but we did close past London low. That's the only thing that's getting me right now. So got to see which area we're going to take our shorts from. I'm going to go ahead and delete these for now. Yeah, I used to have a live account when I traded Forex. I used Hero FX and what's the other one I used? I can't think of the name. Oh, Henko. I used Henko Trades. Henko Trades and Hero FX. It was pretty nice. I made some nice money. I flipped an account, but then I switched over to futures, and you have to have a certain amount in your account for futures. So I said, fuck that. I'm just gonna use combines. I mean, with Forex, you can literally trade with like $20 with Forex. You can't do that with futures. No way. Like the minimum for NQ, I believe, is $500 or maybe 300, but $500 is like the minimum for NQ if you want to trade live. I mean, you can copy trade, bro, but just if you start copy trading, you need to know that your strategy is going to work out. Like before, I would have multiple accounts and I wouldn't really copy trade them. I would just trade them separately because I wasn't too confident in my strategy. But once you're a little bit more confident in your strategy, then start copy trading. But first, in the beginning, don't copy trade yet. Don't do that yet. You're gonna fuck yourself up. Well, yesterday I didn't go live because there was just a little hiccup. But today, or yesterday, I made about $1,000 on my PA accounts altogether. Um, I made a whole band yesterday, pretty much on my PA accounts. Right here is sitting. This is a PA right here. So, what's up, Durant? What's up, Durant? Ding dong, the witch is dead. The witch is dead. The witch is dead. Ding dong. The wicked witch is dead. Ding dong, the witch is dead. The witch is dead. uh, build a buffer. Yeah, I am trying to build a buffer myself with my PA accounts. Okay, I'm gonna say that this FEG is not gonna hold up, so we'll play off of this one. See, normally since we took out London low already, I would look for an inverse, but we're bearish. We are bearish, baby. We are bearish, baby. Very small FEG. I just gotta see which one we're playing off of, guys. Hell yeah, I have a. I'm up 2% on my Top Step Express. I just have to get a few more days of $200 plus, and then I can start withdrawing. But I want to get a bigger buffer. I don't want to start withdrawing until like maybe 53K. Because I think it's, well, maybe a little bit higher than that, but it stops trailing after 52K. So, which is a little bit better than Apex, because Apex is 2,600. All right, I'm gonna keep these here. $19.83. 19.8. Okay. All right, that's good. All right, so I'm looking for my shorts, guys. We're probably taking shorts here really soon. Really soon. All right, so I'm not going to be looking at the charts, guys. I'm going to be looking at my. I'm going to be looking at the screen and my trading view. So if we don't come up here and then we just break past here, I'll just take shorts from here. My stops will be up here, and then I'm going to target lower. But I would really love to come back up here first. All right, get ready, guys. If you're taking this with me, get ready. Get ready. Manage your own risk. Manage your own fucking risk. You want to fucking put 50 cons in? Go ahead. Fucking blow your account. Do it. Do it. Gamble. Go ahead. All right, so we're tapping into this 5-minute, all right, this 15-minute FVG right here. A small tap. I just wanted to go a little bit higher. I would really like it to go a little bit higher. Let's go. Come on a little bit higher. All right, so we're tapping in. I need to see us reject now. Okay, not yet. Not yet. All right. All right, I'm going to enter some here. All right, just entered half of my position here. All right, I'm entering the rest of my position. All right, guys, so I'm going to sell one here. Sell another one here. Oh, wait a minute. Then I'm gonna bring this shit down. I'm actually just gonna sell two here. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. After we break this low, I'm going to go break even. I'll go ahead and close some now. All right, I just closed 2 there. Okay. I'm going to close some more just because it's kind of struggling a little bit here. So I'm going to go break even. Since we are struggling, I'm going break even. I closed 90% of my position. Let's go. Nice. You guys took that shit with me? Hell yeah. Okay. I just got stopped out at break even. Hell yeah. Baby. I did it. Yep, that's enough. That's enough. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Nice management. Nice risk management. We managed our risk correctly. Had to pay attention to the market, how it's moving, seeing if we're going to actually break this low or if we're going to continue up a little bit higher. We might even come into this New York high here. But I do see lower for the day. I do see lower. But now we're a little choppy. Oh, yeah, we have news at 10 a.m. That's probably why. I forgot we have news at 10 a.m. So it might take one more trade, maybe. But we have news at 10 a.m. I totally forgot. We have Jolt's job opening. So at least we got a trade before news. That's really good. But I'm still wanting some shorts. So I could take another trade off of this New York Open. I did it, babe. Another good day. Good trade. Good trade. Is this another retest? Thank you. See what happens when you wait for 9:30 a.m. It's very helpful. Wow, I'm about 900 away from passing my top step, another top step account. If we take another trade, I gotta wait for news, which is in 15 minutes. News is in 15 minutes. All right, so we just tapped into this New York Open here, guys. We just tapped into this New York Open. Okay, so pretty much just inverse this 15-minute FEG, but we're also tapping into this New York Open. So the only way I would be taking longs is if we close above New York Open pretty strong. Because if we close above New York Open, we more than likely will be closing above New York highs, the current New York highs. But yeah, gotta wait for 9:15, or not 9:15, 15 more minutes, 10 a.m. Gotta wait for 10 a.m. if we're gonna take another trade, because I just might take another one. Eli, are you done? Did you get out of that trade? I hope you got out, Eli, because you had to pay attention to how the market was moving and the volume did not want to break that low just yet. So we got a nice scalp. How many points was that? How do I use the measuring tool on Tradeovate? Is there even a measuring tool on Tradeovate? There should be, right? Well, whatever. I'll just use my trading view real quick. That was about 52 points that we saw. Nice. 200 and yeah, about 200 ticks. About 200 ticks. That was beautiful. Wow, yeah, we inversed that, so Alrighty, guys. Let's see. Let's see if we take another. Hi, baby. Okay. News in 10 minutes. Oh, excuse me. Very nice. So I just have to get my PA accounts on Apex to 2600, and then everything after that, I'm gonna have to start making only 30%, which is still enough. It's like $700. So I don't even need to make that much a day. I'm okay with $300 a day or 500 or less on my PAs because it's gonna be like 2 PAs. So we just broke this New York high here. Let's see if we close above it. If we don't close above it, I'm definitely going to be looking for shorts again. Let me see something here. Because now we have this FEG right here, if it can hold up. But we took out the high. It looks like we're rejecting. But now this 1 hour has pretty much engulfed. What do you mean by consistent? Are you consistent daily? Pretty consistent daily. Yeah, what do you mean by consistent? Like consistent as in following my rules, consistent in winning, consistent in what, my sir? My good sir? Oh, yes. Yes, very consistent win rate with this strategy. That's how I passed all my accounts. I have 4 PAs. I'm working on my other combines right now. This one is sitting at, oh wow, I didn't realize this one was so high. Yeah, this one's very close as well. This one, about 2%. La la la. This one, I already passed it. I'm just waiting to get a payout. I mean, I could just pay it now, but I was trying to see if I can just do that. I mean, I have the money to do it, so I could just do that, but I really wanted to just use a payout to pay for it. Is this a similar strategy to ICT? I guess you could say it's similar. Because what I trade is pretty much just levels of liquidity in FVGs. That's really it. Very simple. Nothing too crazy. Maybe a little breaker structure. Like I was waiting for this breaker structure right here, but we didn't have it. But yeah, I guess you could say it's pretty similar. I wouldn't say it's exact because I don't use all those CISD and all that other terminology that he fucking uses. I don't need to use all that. The unicorn and I don't need all that, bro. I don't need all that. Too complex. Trading should be simple, not complex. So we're inside this New York Open, right? So we just took out the liquidity from this New York Open and this current New York high. We had a clean move down and then we took all of it out. So if we can stay below this New York Open, I am going to expect our 1 hour to reverse. But we'll see. We got 5 minutes left in this candle. It's looking really nice on this candle, this doji candle. Looks pretty good because now we have a FVG sitting inside of New York Open. And if we inverse this FVG here, if we inverse this FVG, I am taking shorts again. I might take it on just my combines, maybe just one combine. Let me do this one. I'm gonna do this combine. Yeah, just one combine. Okay. Because I already made what I wanted to make on my PAs. I'm good. That's enough for me. That's enough. But I really, you know what? Fuck it. Because I know we're coming down here. I just know it. Fuck it. I'll just go light. Yes, I do. You are definitely welcome to join. I have my little Discord here. I will definitely put the link in the bio, not the bio, but in the chat. I have a few people already from live that is in the group. It is free. On days that I'm not trading live, I will post signals and like my daily analysis in the chat or in the Discord. So if you guys want to join the Discord, by all means, join the Discord. And just, connect. Let's connect a little bit. Yeah, there is the Discord link in the bio. Completely free. Oh yeah, I forgot I can link up my Instagram to this live. Yeah, I'm about 900 away from passing my top step, another top step. So then I'll have 5 combine, or why do I keep calling them combines? I'll have 5 PAs. Yeah, I'm just gonna trade with my combine. But let me get some. Let's do 3 combines. 32. 34. 32, 34. 37. Okay. So I got 3 combines. So let's do 21 for now. One minute till news, guys. 1 minute till news. I'm going to put a sell stop here. Because if we inverse this FVG, we should be coming down. 18477. Oh, God damn. Oh, damn. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What is happening? Jesus Christ. But yeah, my stops are going to be here, guys. These are my stops. TP. It's going to be all the way down here. God damn. That's a lot of fucking volume, guys. That is a lot of volume. I don't normally do sell stops, but I was just testing it out because of news. But I am not liking this trade. So we'll see what happens, but I don't really like it right now. We took out this high, so we really shouldn't come back up here. Really shouldn't come back above this high, this one here. Unless we want to take it out and then move down. I'm going to risk a little bit on this one. Okay. I have a little bit of a risk on this one. I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell some more here. Wait, 7? Why? Alright, well, I might get stopped out here. Fucking news. Fucking news. No, wait a minute. Oh my God, wait a minute. I didn't realize I was on my fucking PA. No. Oh my gosh, no, guys, no. I swear I clicked 3 combines. Oh my gosh. No. I was wondering, like, why is this so high? I don't even know how many fucking contracts I even have in right now. 21. Oh, I have 7. Or no, 3. Oh my God, please come back down. I did not realize I was on my PAs, guys. Oh my God, no. I didn't even want to trade on my fucking PA. Okay, well, it's gonna take me out. Oh my God, I did not want to do that. Okay, I'm actually kind of mad. I'm actually kind of mad about that. Wow, how the fuck? Oh my God. Wow. I just lost all of it. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, okay. I was confused for a second. No, I didn't. Oh my God, though. Like, what the fuck? I did not know I was trading on my PA accounts. See, that's one thing about TraderBait. You got to be fucking careful, man. You got to be clicking the right things. Like, it's terrible. That was terrible. Yeah, that was bad. That was bad. Wow, I'm actually pretty pissed off about that. Wow, I cannot believe I just did that. I did not want to trade my fucking PAs. Oh my God. I am livid right now. Wow. I shouldn't have done a sell stop. That was my problem. I don't normally do sell stop. I don't even know why. I just wanted to try it out. I just wanted to see how it would work because we had news, but it did not work out well, obviously. So don't do that again. Wow. Wow, what the fuck? This was very good news for NQ. Man, I don't even know what news said like for jolts. But we do have literally Asia high, London high, and New York high resting here. So I guess that could be where we're aiming. Fucking news. It's always fucking shit up. But if we reject here again, I'm definitely taking my shorts. Like, fuck that. Fuck that. I'm taking my shorts. I'm not going to trade my PAs today anymore because I just fucked up, and yeah. A little pissed. Pretty pissed. I'll get that shit back tomorrow. But yeah, first loss for the week. First loss for the week. Man, I was wondering, I was like, why is my P&L so high right now? Like, this doesn't make any sense to be trading with just 3 combines. Excuse me. No, you can come in though. If we break above here and close, I'll be looking for longs off of a pullback. But yeah. Ruben, what's up, bro? Yeah, it happens. I'm just fucking mad. I was trading my PAs, man. Like, fuck. I was really trying not to do that. Like, I was really trying not to, but it's fine. Fuck. Ruben's here. The GOAT. Trade with no emotions. I had no emotions until I saw that I was trading with my PA account. I was like, no, don't do it. What are you looking for, Ruben? You looking for shorts or longs? I really want shorts. But if we get longs, then we get longs. You're long. Felt. I figured. Really want my shorts though, Ruben. Are you assuming 19,500? Oh, nice. Damn, I got shorts in at 19,478. I should have just waited instead of using a sell stop. Because if we rejected this, so now I see that we're inversing and I should have taken longs instead, but it's okay. It's okay. Not inverse, but reject it from here. Yeah, I shorted before news too. I got like 50 points before news, but then after is where it fucked me up at. Dang, Ruben, you didn't share that with me, brother. Yes, bro. Fuck. Hey, at least I wasn't the only one. I wasn't the only one. Yeah, I was thinking about taking some longs from here after we broke this structure, but we already took out. Hold on. Let me see something. I don't think we're going to break that high. I don't think we're going higher. I think we're rejecting. But we'll see. I need to see what happens here. I would have much rather had longs here and then targeted this New York high. And then here. This would have been my next target right here. Like right here. And then I probably would have been out of the trade. Here. And then here was the next high, which it took out. It took out this external high here. So if we can close below this external high, if we can come back and close below this New York open, I will be interested in some shorts, or this New York high. But every time frame, higher time frame, looks heavily bullish, right? The higher time frames look bullish. So what do you mean custom time? Where's my 4 hour? But this could also be the top of the 4 hour candle just to come down. This could also be the top of the 4 hour candle. But if that's true, then it's going to take a little while. But hey, at least I didn't take that damn trade on my top step, PA. I see shorts though. I see shorts, Ruben. I just see shorts. Three-minute did great. Did look great for longs after the sweep of lows, then break out the highs. Love the volume today. On to the next trade. Yep, on to the next trade. What's your bias? Are you strong, bullish, or bearish? Long term on NQ? Oh, eventually I'm pretty sure long term is going to be bullish, but for now I'm bearish, especially with everything that's going on in the world. It just looks more bearish to me, especially right now, like with price action. We've had so many rejections from this area. I see shorts. Let's see, if I were to sell here. Or do you think the longs are going to stop at, Ruben? Are you expecting it to break above this pretty strong rejection zone? That's what I'm thinking that you're thinking, is that it's going to break above here and we're going to go long pretty strong. What about you, Ace? Are you strong bullish or bearish long term? All right, guys, I might get into some shorts here in a second. Let me make sure I'm on the right fucking accounts. All right, so we got a 30-minute FVG here. Okay. So I got 3 combines. I want to do 4 cons, 3 times 4, 12. Pretty sure we're bearish, guys. I'm bearish. I am bearish. If we flip, we're going to be taking out that data low, and then we could inverse this 30-minute FVG and go lower. Took a little risky trade on my top step just to see how that would play out, but it's doing pretty well. It's doing pretty well. I'm looking for shorts, guys. I want shorts, Ruben. Fuck that 19,620. It's shorts, baby. It's shorts. We are short, baby. Telling you, we're rejecting from this high so much. And if you look at the daily, yesterday the daily closed doji, right? So we just took out the doji high, and now we're rejecting that doji high. So if we can inverse this FVG here, guys, I will be taking shorts this time, and it should play out if we can inverse. What? That doesn't even make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. Okay, whatever. Let's inverse here. I'm thinking it'll probably inverse on the next 30-minute open, just the way the candle's looking. but that's in 7 minutes. So we'd have to wait 7 minutes. But oh man, I am looking at shorts big time. Big time. So we closed past New York Open. We are currently tapping into New York Open again. So we could take long since we closed past and then, but just these areas. But it really plays best at 9:30 for open. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm going to be waiting for this inverse. It's 30-minute inverse, guys. So pissed about my PA. Like, how the fuck? Okay. We also have this 15-minute that I was trying to inverse. This is what I was trying to inverse. Ooh, this 15-minute is also a 30-minute. Oh. So we should, when we inverse, we should drop pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. Yeah, brother. You should, oh, damn, it's back at your entry. Kayden, what's your strategy called and what you look for gives you the best ideal setup for your entry? I don't really have a name for it, but it's just pretty much liquidity, levels of liquidity, and that's pretty much it, bro. Just like levels of liquidity, price action, FVGs. I use FVGs. For the FVGs to really play out, I like inverse FVGs a little bit more than continuation FVGs, but those are nice too. But for inverse FVGs, I like to look for a sweep of liquidity. Like, for example, we just took out this current New York high. We're closing below it. So that's telling me we're sweeping this level and that we are going to continue lower. So if we can inverse this FVG, that's my first confirmation. We swept this level, and then this is the FVG. This will be my second confirmation, and that is going to be all that I really need. Yeah, shorts were way better. It's just, I think we entered too early because of news. Yeah. So we had the same bias, Ruben. It's just, I think we just entered too early or something. And we caught a nice scalp, but now, yeah. Exactly. Sweep of highs or lows. That's the same thing I do, Ace. I look for the sweep, and then I get the inverse, and then we go lower. This will be my first TP right here. This will be my first TP. Price action is king, baby. It's king. One night last week, I took a trade during, I think it was London session. I took a trade during London, and I just let that shit rock until the morning. I had my stop loss set, TP set, and I woke up with a past account. It was one of those 1 day pass accounts, so I was trying to see if I could just pass it in 1 day, with a day trade, and boom, baby, I woke up to a past account. I think that trade took like fucking 4 hours to play out or something. At that point, don't look at it. Just don't look at it. Oh, I got some new people in the Discord. What's up, guys? I don't know who is in here. No, nobody right now. Sunrise surprise. That was a great surprise. Oh man, come on, let's inverse. Come on, let's inverse. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna happen until the next 30-minute candle. So come on, baby. Watch this shit happen at like 11 o'clock when I get off. I really hope it happens way before. Still no inverse. All right, let's see. It's taking forever. Watch this shit not inverse until 11 o'clock. I might stay on past 11. I might not. We'll see how I'm feeling. God damn. Kayden, how do you manage your trades when stop loss is large but the setup is there? Just put lower contracts, bro. Just risk less. Smaller cons. Because I think with that one account that I woke up to and passed, I only used 3 cons. But I did risk about 2%, so that's probably Probably why. But yeah, just use lower cons, bro. Don't use higher contracts. When you use higher contracts with the big stop loss, you're being greedy, and yeah, that's it. You're being greedy, and you're not managing. Because at that point, you're looking more at the profit level when you should be focusing more on the risk level. Like when you ask yourself every single time you get into a trade, you need to be asking yourself, okay, how much am I about to risk? Right? Well, so we're retesting this high again that we pretty much broke above. This is a data high right here. Data high. Data high. God damn. What about you, Ace? Do you only trade NQ, or do you trade anything else? Give me a sec real quick, guys. All right. Good now. Hola. Still nothing. Maybe we're looking to take out this data high. You're at BE for the day. Damn, I wish I was at BE for the day. I'm down like on my PAs at least. That was dumb. SMT? Oh shit, hold on, let me look. Let me look at ES. Oh. SMT. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see the SMT. Damn. This was a retest of New York Open. Yep, this was a New York Open retest. Could have took longs off of this retest. Okay, that's okay. I just didn't like the market, to be honest. It's a little choppy. Like, look at this shit. This is chop. This is equal buyers and sellers. We're all fighting here. Who's gonna win? Who is going to win? You did what? No way, bro. How'd you blow them, bro? Damn. Yeah, these are one of those weeks where it's like choppy and inconsistent. But damn, brother. I thought you had a nice cushion built up, no? Cause shit, I'm trying to build up like 3K in my top step before I take any type of payouts or risk higher. I know some guys with like 60K in their account. So there's no way they're hitting DD anytime soon. Oh, that's why. Damn, brother, you should have had a bigger cushion. Left 2K or something. Oh, I see. Shit, bro. I really want to have like a whole like 10K cushion. I'm not even gonna lie, because at that point, there's no way I'm gonna lose that shit. And if I do, then I have some really serious issues. I know a guy that would take a trade right now based off of this, but I cannot. Yeah, 2K all the time. Why not higher? You don't want to go higher? You don't want a bigger cushion? Because at that point, you won't have much panic, right? Like 5K or something. I still see shorts, bro. Oh, that scared the fuck out of me. Damn, kid. Not really. Not even if you're up 10K, if you're still using the same risk, you know? If you're still like risking like $500 or $300, one really bad mental day and it could be gone. Yeah, that's true. You sure the 5-minute FPG got wrecked? Prices obsessed with the new week opening gap. Wait, what? I don't see a gap on the week. What you mean new week opening gap? Are you talking about like at 5? Oh wait, this is ES. Hold on. What are you talking about, bro? I don't see no gap. I don't know what you're talking about, my boy. My boy. Oh, are you talking about from last Thursday? If that's what you're talking about, then okay. I guess I see it. Yeah, but like what levels? Are you talking about like where's the gap? I don't see the gap. You said new week opening. Because yesterday was the open and I don't see any gap for the open, bro. I don't see it at all. We are chopping up, bro. Ugh, I'm not fucking with this shit. New week opening gap at the start of the week. If you drop down to a lower time frame, you can see a little gap there. What time frame are you looking at? 1 minute? 5 minute? I don't see a gap, bro. I'm on the 1 minute right now. I don't see anything. I don't see it. I don't see it, bro. I don't see a gap. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, but tell me what numbers, like what level. Just tell me the numbers so I can look at it because I don't know. I don't see it. I don't see a gap. Just tell me, is it like 19,520? Like, for example. Let's see. ES equal highs, buy side liquidity, sweep of highs, and closure inside the range for sell side liquidity. What you say, bro? Let's see. What do I say, bro? Buy side liquidity. Oh, yeah. ES could take out this Asia and London high, and then we start dropping. But if we take out this Asia and London high, we're pretty close to the high from yesterday, New York high from yesterday. I don't know, bro. This market's kind of choppy right now. I'm not really liking it too much. I might just be done for the day, and then watch this shit play out at 11 o'clock. Every single time I get off, it fucking plays out. Every single time. But I don't know, bro. I think maybe we should be done for the day, honestly. Because we are chopping up. We got NFP this week. Oops. Yep. Yep. I think we should be done for the day, brother. Only got $900 till I pass my second Top Step funded account. I don't really want to risk it, but I might take a risky trade here, and just leave it as a little day trade. So let me come over here. Might take a little risky. So let's say that I take shorts here. I put my stops above here because if we take out those highs, okay. Let's say, let me just see if I want to take this day trade or not. Let me see. Let me just see something. And then I'll just leave it. So day trade strategy. Let's see. So we got these, a lot of equal highs here. We keep rejecting. Yeah. Daily closed pretty much doji yesterday. We took out the high. We want to go lower, but we closed above this pretty strong level of resistance on the daily at 19,383. Okay. We closed above here pretty strong. So the thing is, if we can break back below this current daily candle, we should see lower. But the reasoning that it's doing all this, it's trying to go higher. We closed past this level of resistance pretty strong here. This doji candle, it's doji, but it's still closed above, right? So I really want to see a break of here to go lower, but we don't have that just yet. So I'm trying to see if a day trade to hold it would be good. And I am kind of liking it. So I'm going to do a day trade, guys. I might do a day trade. See the way that this is looking right now. I would really like to see this data high get taken out, to be honest. Take out the data high, and then sweep it, and then we go lower. But I don't know yet. See, this is the account. I only need 900 to pass for that one. Here's my PA account. I'm up 1,300. And yeah. Does Apex support South African customers? Good question. Let me see. Let me see. Restricted countries for Apex. Okay, so list of countries we are not able to service at this time. I am so sorry, brother. Apex does not support South Africa, South African countries, South African customers at this moment. How often are you streaming? Every day? No, Monday through Thursday. Monday through Thursday. But today, I mean, not today, this week, I'm going to do, I said Monday through Thursday, Monday through Wednesday, Monday through Wednesday. But just this week only, I am going to be trading Thursday because I missed yesterday. But yeah, I'll be on this Thursday for this week. What can you do about it? Let me see if the other country, I mean, not the other country, the other prop firm allows you. Damn it. No, you can't trade with this one either. Sorry, bro. You're probably going to have to just find a broker and trade live. I don't think you can trade with prop firms unless, I don't know. Let's see. South African futures prop firm. I'm sure they have a. Okay, yeah. So here you go, bro. Here. Since this trade is not really playing out just yet, we're about to take out this data high. So hold on, bro. But here, I'll put this in the chat for you. There you go. These are all the ones for South Africa. Longs coming in strong. Yeah, they could be. Could be right. Get your 619, 620 right there. Give Ruben his TP, bro. Give Ruben his TP. Give it to him. Ruben needs that TP. Give that shit to him. Yeah, no problem, Sam. Hey, while you're here, bro. While you're here, brother. Join my Discord. Wait a minute. It said Top Step. Top Step doesn't even allow. Wait, it says you can use Top Step, but then when I go to Top Step, it says you can't use Top Step. Maybe they just changed it or something. Give Ruben his 1960. I mean, 620. It's just, I'm a little skeptical about your 620, Ruben, because we just took out this data high, right, for news, this news candle high. If we just took out the news candle high, I really want to see us reject and come lower, bro. I'm all for your bias and everything, but right now I am so bearish. I'm very bearish because we keep rejecting to go higher. We continuously keep rejecting to go higher. But give him his 19,620 at least. At least. Can still take shorts. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be taking my shorts. I really want to stay on, but I might just take a day trade. We just took out this data high, right? So let me see. 1 hour is about to open. Yes, yesterday can also be. Yep. We always draw, aim towards liquidity, and yesterday's liquidity is very strong. We have a lot of equal highs here, like a lot. So if we can break above here and close, then I'll be interested in some longs. But right now, I'm just not too interested. If we break above here, that's A plus for me. That's A plus. So if we break above and close above, longs. If we break above and reject, shorts. Two biases, okay? Either one of them could play out. Don't be too biased. Don't be too biased. Give him his 19,620 though. Right here. It's right here. Give it to him. 10 points away. Give it to him. Bruh. 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 I want this one to be my leader. Ugh. Give him his 620, goddammit. I'm gonna take a day trade, guys. I'm definitely gonna take a day trade. What's ES doing? So ES just took out those London and Asia highs, okay? So we just took out the London and Asia highs for ES. We're rejecting. So I'm going to take a day trade, my fam. I'm going to risk about maybe 200. I'm taking a little day trade. A little risky, but not expecting it to break above these highs here. But if it does, then I'm down like a little bit, not much. First time on the live, you like my energy? Thank you, my guy. Thank you. I appreciate that. But yeah, I'm taking a day trade based off of all this rejections. And now we're here again. We took out the data high. ES took out in Asia and London highs. It started rejecting. So now I see us pushing down. Okay. This is a day trade. So I'm going to just let it run, let it do its thing. And hopefully it plays out. All right, ES is dropping too. This is good. This is very good. This is very, very good. Let's see what happens, guys. Break below here, that would be very nice. Below 19,539, we should be good to go. I'm gonna go break even just in case. Manage my risks since we are a little bullish here. I said day trade, but I'm just gonna manage because I don't see why we would come back above here anyways. This is pretty much the top if it sells off. So I want it like right here. Yep, right there. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Chicken wang. Let it do its thing. Chicken wang. Very random. Anyways, I'll be right back. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Hi, baby. Where you going? That was hard. Alright. I'm gonna hit two. I'm gonna take a hit too. Bless you. Probably gonna get stopped out. Maybe. Actually, maybe not. That's a 1 minute FEG. I don't really like 1 minute FEGs, but
Why are you always right next to me? Keep stepping you, kicking you.
Mama.
I'm sorry.
I scalp more than anything. So this is a day trade strategy. I just realized I was talking to myself the whole time. I forgot I muted my mic. But yeah, so I'm moving it here because we could at least come down to here. At least, wait, where did I just see that at? This is the 15. So we should at least come down to here. And then I'll leave it running to see how low we can go. So see, just 3 cons, right? Just 3 cons. I mean, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all. You don't have to risk a lot, you know. This is long term. This is not short term. So we should at least come down here. Yeah. The only thing I'm a little skeptical about is right here, because this was an area that we previously broke through and dropped below, and then we broke back above it and pushed up. So right here is an area that I will be watching to see how we react to it. But seeing how the 1 hour looks, 4 hour looks, we could very well just come all the way back down. You know, guys, I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna leave that because if it hits, then I pass the combine. I'm at break even, so why not, right? Why not? I'm gonna come all the way down here with it. I don't even need that much actually. I only need like $900 or something. Yeah. I'm at break even. So I'm just going to leave it. And if we hit, then I pass this combine. This will be my second combine. And we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm really going to be watching right here. Like right here is very, very important. Yeah. But looking at the 4 hour, if we have a nice flip, we should continue down. We should continue down. We should have a nice flip. Like I said earlier, this could be the top of the 4 hour candle just to flip down because the 4 hour had just opened at like 11 o'clock or something like that, right? Was it 11? I can't. Sometimes I get my little. Yeah. No, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Opened at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Yeah, not 11. 10 o'clock. So, let's see. Let's see. Goddamn, imagine I took this shit on my PA, but I didn't want to anymore. I had that stupid loss. I had a nice win on my PA. Well, on Apex, I lost. On Top Step, I didn't trade my PA for the second trade, so I didn't lose anything on my Top Step. But for Apex, goddamn. Got to be real careful with Apex. Apex is confusing. See here? See how I said I'm looking at this area too because we bounced from here. I mean, not bounced. We broke below here and just dropped, and then we broke above and just went up. So if we break back below, we should be good. We should be good because we continuously keep rejecting to go higher, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 times on the 15-minute. So we have all these rejections. So what does that tell you? There's only one way to go. And where's that? Down. We're going down. So if we want to go higher, it looks like we want to grab some more liquidity lower to go higher. If we want to go higher, which looks like the market really wants to, but I don't think it has enough liquidity to go higher. So we're dropping to find liquidity, seek out stop losses, people that are waiting to enter into the market with their limit orders. TPs are down here. It's just liquidity is all of that. Liquidity is everything. All of these orders that are being created, that's liquidity. That is liquidity. So, oh yeah, let me go back break even. What am I doing? So yeah, pay attention to how the candles are moving on the lower time frame with the higher time frame, and it's all lining up. You're good to go, brother. You are good to go. Just be patient, let it happen, let it do its thing. I used to day trade a lot with gold when I was trading Forex. I day traded way more than I scalped, actually. Just when I switched over to futures, I felt like scalping on futures was way more profitable than scalping on Forex. Because in futures, you can make money like that, bro. I mean, it's high risk, but very high reward. Forex, you can kind of have low risk, right? But a high reward. So Forex, I like Forex in a way. You can also use Forex right here, Blue Guardian. It's right at the top on the left. 25% off coupon in the description for TradingView, or not TradingView, for TradingNet. And yeah, Forex is, you can trade, like I said earlier. I don't know if whoever's in here now was here earlier, but you can use $20 in Forex and turn it into $1,000 with Forex really quickly, easily. But you can also lose it easily. But if you know what you're doing. All right, guys. So we're still heading down, looking at this area right here. So if we can break past this low, I mean, not this low, this area right here, this is pretty much an area of support. If you guys want to see it as that for day trading. And here would be the nice, let me see. Here would be the break of the 4-hour low, which would be very beautiful because then we'll just pretty much just dump. We'll probably just dump. Inverse this 15-minute FVG that some people are waiting to inverse and take shorts from, because that's how some people trade with their FVGs, right? Inversing, which I do as well. Just gonna wait though. Let it do its thing. How long have I been in this trade now? I don't know. Maybe like 30 minutes. Almost. There just wasn't anything there for me to scalp from. So I said, okay, well, this looks like a great day trade. So I took it. Man, I traded gold. Because gold, if you guys trade gold, I'm going to tell you, gold loves to make wicks. Okay? Gold. I should get back on gold, man. I should really get back on gold. But gold loves to make wicks. Gold wicks so much. So you can have a 1-hour candle that's closes strong bullish or bearish, and then the next 1-hour candle will go down first, make a wick, and then start going up. So then you could get in at the low of the start of the 1-hour or 4-hour candle, and then it really respects a lot of support and resistance levels for gold. I have noticed in my success with gold. I only switched over to NQ when I switched over to futures. So I should really get back on gold, man. I love gold. I love the way it moves. I absolutely love the way it moves. You got inverse? Yes, sir. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I wanted shorts. I went against your bias. You got so close, bro. It was so close to your 19,620, bro. It was so close. It was right there. But like, I mean, it was right there. I'm sure you took most of your profits, right? I was watching it too. I was like, oh my God, give it to him. Give it to him. But I guess we didn't want it. Because if we did break that high, because we didn't break this previous high, we didn't break this previous high. So now we're making another high, higher low, right? Pretty much. So I assumed that we were just going to go short. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I was looking at that. I was looking at ES too, take out those highs, and then just started rejecting instantly. So I said, all right, it's time to get in. It's time to get in. Yeah, if it comes down here, that's what I would really like. But see how it tapped into this area? That's what I was kind of nervous for. But it's if it takes me out, it's okay. It's fine. Well, whatever. I mean, let's just, if it wants to take me out, it'll take me out. Ugh. Damn. Are you done for the day, Ruben? My bro, Ruben, where do you live, man? I want to link up with you so bad. You seem so chill. Like your energy that you give off just through chat just through chat. It's just very chill. Oh, you long the bottom? Oh. Damn, bro. Definitely can't meet up with you. You are very, very far away. I'm in the US, so there's no way that I'm going to be able to meet up with you anytime soon. $555. Hey, maybe I'll take a trip to Germany. We'll link up and trade. me and my wife have been wanting to take a trip anyway, so okay, I still like shorts here. I still like it. I like the way the 30 closed. I'm gonna stay with the shorts. Yo, hell yeah. I'm in North Carolina though. I am in North Carolina. This is gonna be a very long trade. Yeah, bro, we're rejecting too much. No longs, man. I'm telling you. Too much rejection. Maybe tomorrow or like NFP, you know? Maybe like NFP wants to gather all this liquidity below and then we'll pump up for NFP or something. Maybe we'll have good news for NFP. You know, like you said earlier, building up liquidity, right? That's all we're doing is building up liquidity. So maybe you thought that NFP is going to dump, right? But maybe NFP has been a long. Yeah, looking at this shit. Yeah, bro. But I'm not trading that day. Fuck that. I do not like trading that CPI NFP shit. I can't, man. I can't do it. It's too much volume for me. Alrighty, Ruben. I'll see you later, bro. Have a good rest of your day, night, whatever time it is. I don't know what time it is over there, but have a good rest of your whatever. Today was real as fuck, Tony. Hell yeah, brother. I'm gonna stay on until this trade plays out, though. I might not be at the screen, but I'm just gonna let it run and let it do its thing. I didn't even know you were here, Tony. What's up, my guy? Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do a couple things. I just realized I was on mute. I ran back. So I was saying, as I was speaking to myself again, so we just tapped into this area right here that I wanted to take some profits at, but I'm just going to leave it. Anyway, so I was saying, if you guys want to continue shorts, you can wait for the inverse of this 15-minute FVG. Wait for the inverse and then target these lows. This is a quick one-to-one, your bread and butter. I'm gonna leave my stops like right here because I'll still be up like $60 for the day or whatever. But anyway, sometimes going break even like fucks up the trade. But yeah. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to take some shorts, you just wait for that inverse of the FVG and target the lows and then just continuously. My mouse is fucking up. Just continuously go lower into the other lows, okay? So I guess I'm not gonna go mute because my mouse is fucking up. Hold on. I need to get a new mouse. Well, I'll have another mouse. I just don't know where it is. I have like 3 of them. Probably in the closet or something. Okay, there we go. I mean, looking at the 5, we really shouldn't even come back up here. So like, yeah, this is fine. This is fine. This is a perfect break even because we really shouldn't even come back up here. We really shouldn't. There's no reason to. There's no FVG up here. Nothing. We just have a fuck ton of rejections. Okay. Let me just look at the 4-hour really quickly. Let me mark this. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So if we break this, we should be good to flip on the 4-hour, and then I should pass this account. But if not, I could be wrong. I could be wrong, but I'm at break even, so I don't care what happens. All right, so I'll be back. How are we looking? Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the content. If you hear anything in the background, that's my little robot vacuum. Alrighty. Also, guys, this is my YouTube. You guys want to follow my YouTube as well because posting content. My IG is a little different. Hold on. Okay. Just space this out. Oh, okay, whatever. So IG has the same Woo trades, but there's no dot. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Jesus. Man, I've been holding this trade for so long. At this point, I don't give a damn what happens. Man, this is the longest live I've ever done. I'm usually off by 11, but this day trade's taking forever to either hit my break even or hit my TP. Like, just do one or the other. come on, just do something at this point. Like, I just kind of want to be done so I can get off alive. I got shit to do. All right, so it's looking like a dub, not a dub. Wow, right there. Come on. Take me out or what? Oh. Man, this stop loss is real. This stop loss is real as fuck. Put it right above this little 1 minute high here. So we inverse this 1 minute FEG. I mean, yep, there we go. Okay. Damn, that was a real ass stop loss. Took fucking forever. All right, well, I'm at a break even there, so that was not a win. It was a win for my trim, but I liked the trade. I was at break even. I didn't really care. I wanted to come down here, so I'm cool with that. I'm very cool with that. Man, we're looking very bullish. Man, let's say lunch session comes in and just rips us. This is the longest I have ever been on. Let me see if I can go get my breaks changed. Okay, guys, I think I'm done for the day. If I take like a PM session trade, I'll post it in my Discord. So if you're in the Discord, but as of now, it's very choppy. Very, very choppy. And you know, it'd be crazy as if it literally just did what I wanted it to do. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. I'll be on tomorrow, 9 a.m. for a New York session. And hopefully we'll get another win for the day. So that's outro. And if you guys are still trading for the rest of the day, Please use your stop loss, manage your risk correctly. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.